You might think Interlaken is all about lacing up hiking boots or strapping in for hang gliding, but it doesn't have to be. We're here to show you how to enjoy this breathtaking valley without breaking a sweat. With a little help from local trains, gondolas, and funiculars, you can piece together several days of adventures that are just as thrilling. It's easy, it's fun, and anyone can do it.
We're John and Bev, and we are the Retirement Travelers. If you're just finding us, we are an American senior travel couple who are on the adventure of our lives. So hit subscribe and follow along on our little travel log. We are a few weeks ahead of our videos, so if you're wondering where we are in the world, we keep our Instagram updated to our current location, so follow us there.
Our first bit of advice is to pick a location for lodging that is near the public transportation system. Who planned this? We stayed at the Essential by Durant, conveniently perched next to Interlaken West. We stepped off the train and took a few steps, and we had arrived. This was a great location for exploring, but any number of towns in the area would work well, as long as you can reach a station with ease.
You know, when in Rome, when in Switzerland, it is what you got to do.
I'll hold it for you, honey.
No, I got my hands on it. I've got a death grip. It is a death grip. Thank you for buying me some chocolate, baby.
Those are all low-cal chocolate, practically negative calories. At first glance, Interlaken can look overwhelming with maps full of zigzags, gondola icons, and train lines. But trust us, the Swiss have designed a great system to work for many travelers no matter your fitness level. First up, purchase the Jungfrau Travel Pass. It makes hopping on gondolas, trains, and funiculars so simple. Just scan and go. On your first day, we recommend you add in an easy hike to Lake Bakalpsee in the morning and get out into the countryside. Here's how it works. From Interlaken, catch a train to Grindelwald, a storybook alpine town at the base of the Jungfrau range. Grindelwald has been drawing visitors since the 18th century when adventurous Europeans came searching for glaciers and alpine air.
So what do we do next?
We're going to walk through town and we need to find a cable car to a place called Grindelwald First. So we're going to go up higher, and this is where we're going to do our hike in the morning now.
We're hiking first.
And we're going to go on a thing called the cliff walk. So if you're afraid of heights, don't come with us.
I'm not really crazy about hikes on cliff walks, but I'm braver than I used to be. And I found that the trick is to hold a camera while you're doing something scary and try to capture footage and not think, it takes my mind off of what we're doing. Because I'm thinking I've got to get footage.
That's a good plan. I just shut my eyes and walk.
No, you don't. Because I'm holding on to you. That doesn't work, John. You've got to lead me.
Holy cow.
How pretty is this? These mountains are just incredibly tall and straight up.
We decided not to climb the 6,000-foot vertical drop of the Eiger today.
Because we're not Alex Honnold?
That's right. Yeah, it's actually one of the most dangerous climbs in the world, so we decided to opt out.
Thank you, babe. He's protected me.
From the station, follow the signs to the gondola station and begin your climb skyward. The ride itself feels like a prelude to the adventure.
Skipping rocks on the edge of the water, taking bets on who goes farther, throwing the afternoon away. These days keep getting harder, bare feet and silver dollars, so I'll find a tree and carve your name.
Okay, we're going on a hike. It is so beautiful here, John.
It's amazing.
I don't even care that we had to pay, $10 for a bottle of water.
No. It's good water. It's good Swiss mountain. It's very pure. Actually,
they love their water here.
I think it probably adds years to your life if you drink it. So
hey, we're after that. We're actually doing this hike today, and I'm telling myself we're building bone health. We're building brain health.
Yes.
I mean, brain health is my number one these days.
And I tell you what else we're going to do? In addition to getting our brains healthy, Bev's going to jump in Lake Bakalpsee and go swimming.
Oh, I'm going to do the cold plunge.
In the cold plunge, yes.
Oh, I'm going to strip my clothes off and just be, oh yeah, that's it. Everybody wants to see that. Everybody wants to see that. No doubt.
No doubt.
That's scary. This is not a horror channel, John. What are you talking about?
We could stay young, we could live our whole lives where the wild things run under big blue skies. We could dance in the sun by the end of the night. I'll be under your thumb as long as your hand's in mine.
And then we reached Lake Bakalpsy, a mirror alpine lake that perfectly reflects the mountains above. It's a scene that feels too perfect to be real, and when you add the sound of cowbells echoing across the valley, what more could you want?
This place has the wow factor.
It's so beautiful. If you've never been here, this is a bucket list place.
It is.
The clouds are coming and going, and we're seeing mountains clear, and
It gives you peaks every now and then. You just get
It's
a
like
peek of the
peekaboo.
mountain. Peekaboo. I want to see.
pretty.
I want to see more peaks and less boo.
On the way back, don't miss the cliff walk.
5 years ago, you couldn't get me out here. And now, look at me.
My soul's already flying, I'm letting go of gravity. Up here the world is shining, but I think I'm realizing you are the only light I wanna see. We could stay young, we could live our whole lives where the wild things run under big blue skies. We could dance in the sun by the end of the night. I'll be under your thumb as long as your hand's in mine.
Okay, I already know one thing. I'm tired already. Are you tired?
Suck it up, Buttercup. Oh my goodness, this is just...
So pretty.
Once we were back in Grindelwald, we hopped on a short train and headed to the Grindelwald terminal stop to make our way to a gondola which took us to Interlaken.
Daydream in my head, I'm drifting, swept up in the moment, wishing every now and then we could just pretend that it's just you and me together. We could stay right here forever, nowhere else to be.
At the top, there's a playground for kids.
It's a cow slide. That is so cute.
We had sweeping views over both the Grindelwald and Lauterbrunnen valleys. We took one of the steepest gondolas in Europe, descending to the charming, car-free village of Wengen. As we strolled through its timber chalets, we popped into a shop so I could pick up some new running shorts.
That was the funniest thing.
They had a pink, like, tights.
Liner.
I don't do that. I'm sorry. I'm a black and white kind of guy. No, I'm not wearing pink panties to run. Sorry.
But you need the pink shoes and the pink shirt and the pink everything.
If you continue by train from Wengen, you'll descend slowly into Lauterbrunnen.
Now, we came to see a waterfall, and we see the waterfall, but it is not as full as it is
On Instagram.
On Instagram or in the springtime, because I think it'd be very dramatic. This
We're
one is-
still going to walk over there.
We're still going to walk over there, but it's kind of trickly today. I don't know what the problem is.
That's officially the word.
Trickly.
Let's go see what it's about.
This valley is often called the most beautiful in Switzerland, and for good reason. With sheer cliffs, green pastures, and no fewer than 72 waterfalls, it's a place that looks like a fantasy painting.
We love cemeteries.
We are dead tired.
We're so dead tired. It's kind of the thing we do when we travel. We go to a cemetery in every country because we just like seeing how people bury their loved ones.
Yeah,
It's kind of interesting. It's very cultural. It's very pretty.
it's nice.
Everybody has a flower bed planted over them.
Due to my incredible trip planning skills, we are
As always.
we are planning to go to the top of Europe, and it is a beautiful sunny day.
No trip would be complete without the big one, so on another day, we headed to the Jungfraujoch, the legendary top of Europe. The route starts at Grindelwald Terminal, where you board the new Eiger Express gondola. In just 15 minutes, it carries you up to Eiger Gletscher Station, floating past sheer cliffs and giving you prime views of the Eiger's north face.
Are you soaking it in?
I'm trying to soak it all in. I'm trying not to miss a single second of it. How about you?
I'm soaking it all in. This is amazing.
My ears are popping though.
This ride is just one of the most beautiful rides.
From there, transfer to the historic cogwheel train, which tunnels right through the mountain. So I believe most of this train is in the dark. It's actually a tunnel through the Eiger Mountain up to the top. So there may be a little bit of views, but it's an old cog railway. It's not old, it's new, but it's a cog railway. And I think we're just tunneling it today.
Don't care where it goes, we just make the most of every second that we're given. My love for you is never ending, how it's supposed to be.
Mr. Martin over here is way overexcited about this.
Yeah, I got all I need, 'cause you make the sun come out, you make the world spin around, you are sweeter than the summer with a drop of honey. You make me come alive, you make every color shine, you make every day feel brighter. I light up when I see you.
So we're standing at 3,571 meters. I don't know exactly what that is in feet. I think like 11 or 12,000 feet.
It means that we're on the top of Europe.
We are on top of Europe. We're sitting between the peaks of the Jungfrau and the Eiger, and there are glaciers everywhere here.
I light up when I see you. Make the sun come out. You make the world spin round. You're sweeter than the summer with a drop of honey. You make me come alive.
On another day, we recommend you get out on a lake in Interlaken. A boat cruise on Lake Brienz is one of the best ways to see the region. The turquoise water is so clear it looks unreal, and from the deck, you can capture sweeping views of mountains and villages that you just can't see from a train. After the boat, we went in search of food.
Everything is very expensive here, so
Yes.
we forgo food.
Yeah, we have a diet called Switzerland. If you eat, you go broke.
So you don't eat and you get skinny.
That's
How's
right.
that?
We caught the Harderbaum Funicular up to Harderkolm, a scenic vantage point of the Jungfrau range. It took about 10 minutes to reach the top. The panoramic restaurant is the perfect spot for dinner. We delved into bubbling cheese fondue, hearty sausages, and enjoyed the friendly company of our waitress Martina, who even gifted us 2 matching Harderkolm hats.
This is the famous cheese fondue.
Okay.
Put
Add
the black
pepper.
inside.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Here in the bag you have also potatoes.
I have switched to my hat because she says we're famous and we needed new hats.
Fondue is a great idea in Switzerland. Little sausage time. It's good sausage. It's one of the few places where the meal's as good as the view, and both are fabulous.
We could stay young, we could live our whole lives where the wild things run under big blue skies. We could dance in the sun by the end of the night. I'll be under your thumb as long as your hand's in mine.
Of course, one of the biggest thrills that many people book is paragliding. Every day, dozens of colorful parachutes float down from the mountains, landing in the big grassy park in the center of town. While we didn't take the flight ourselves this time, it's easy to arrange, and the operators here have long-established safety records. During our stay, we met Sam and Victoria, an Aussie couple who allowed us to use their footage. They said the flight was wonderful, smooth, and worth the money. Be sure to follow them on Instagram for some travel inspiration, and we hope to bump into them again down under. Interlaken is every bit as magical as we had hoped. A place where nature and history blend into unforgettable experiences. We think we could easily have stayed here for weeks, but we'll be back, Switzerland. You've set the bar high. Be sure to hit subscribe and follow along on our retirement journey around the world.